To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
That's right. A very good morning to you first of all. Now let's take a look at how the Wall Street fared yesterday and the cues to watch out for today. Now big bank earnings and key inflation reading, that is going to be the focus on Wall Street, apart from of course the tariff related developments that we are tracking. Now yesterday the US equities ended the first session of the week on a slightly positive note. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, that rose about 88 points or 0.2%. The S&P 500, that gained 0.1%, whereas the Nasdaq Composite, that climbed 0.3%. However, stock futures are slightly negative as of now, but remember, Wall Street is coming off a very positive session overnight, with stocks managing to eke out again even after US President Donald Trump threatened a 30% tariff on European Union and Mexico starting August. However, in the latest that on tariffs, Trump has even threatened 100% secondary tariffs on Russia, something to keep an eye out for. Meanwhile, investors are hoping that a second quarter earnings season that comes in better than expected will boost the stock market that's already at its all-time highs. Now, big bank earnings, they are all set to kick off the season this week, with JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo and Citigroup among companies that are set to deliver their quarterly reports later today. Other than that, the street also has its eyes on the US June Consumer Price Index that is due later today, seeking clues on how the Trump administration's tariffs, they have been affecting prices. The matrix is expected to show a 0.3% monthly increase and a 2.7% headline reading according to Dow Jones consensus estimates. So tracking all these cues, earnings, tariffs and inflation reading as we head into today's session. How are things looking on crude on the crude